Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are gonna be trading binary options in Olymp trade. So without further ado, let's get started. Unfortunately, it is not available in my country because I've been using it. So let's really try it. Now it will be in my country because I was using VPN. So here we are, and here we go. Let's see what OrCAD has to offer. It does look good for sale. Yeah, I mean, it was looking good for sale, but let's just hope that either one of them sticks with the profit or both of them stick with the profit. I know that I've made a big mistake by taking a sell at very wrong time. I should have waited. I should have waited at least for the next candle to be made. But oh no, too much volatile market. Yeah, market is too much volatile, man. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Stay down, go down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I was hoping that at least one out of two ends up in profit. So yeah, that so far we have placed two trades out of which we have won one trade. Two placed, one won, one lost. Let's see what EuroCAD has to offer. Let's just let's make a horizontal line. Let's make a horizontal line down there. Let's make another horizontal line up there, that if it goes there we are gonna be going for sell, and vice versa. Understand? Yeah, that's better. Let's wait for it to go down there. Let's just wait for it to go down there. Let's see. Let's just change it. I don't know. I don't believe it. I don't know that I believe it or not. I Let's just wait for the next candle to be made. I'm gonna be going for sale in the incoming trade. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yeah, let's go for sale. I have placed a sell trade because previously all they are doing is to go for continuous buys. It means either, if it means if one goes for buy, all go for buy. If one go for sell, all goes for sell. That was the simple case before this candle, and that's the simple case in the EuroCAD specifically, right? I don't know if we are gonna be winning it or not, but I have placed a very technical. I have placed a very technical sell here. It's none of the price action or not like this. Yeah, man, we have won it. We have successfully won it. Did we? Yeah, we did with EuroCAD. It was barely a pip difference. Barely, yeah. It barely was a pip difference, but indeed difference is difference. Let's see what Euro GBP. It still did not go there. Let's just make a sell trade. I believe that next candle is gonna be a buy candle. No, next candle is gonna be a sell candle. let's just go for sell. Yeah, next candle is gonna be a sell candle. That's what I believe, and this is what is gonna be happening. And I have placed a perfectly fine sell trade. Let's just see that if we can win this or not. It is gonna give us 87% return on investment, which is ROI, return on investment, right? We still got 20 seconds, 25 seconds left for the trade to be closed. Here we are, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yeah, here we go. We have just won another pair of trades, right? So, with that being said, that brings us to the end of the very successful binary options section. See you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye.